What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be unboxing the Ownboard Bamboo AT electric skateboard. We're going to go pick it up. It's sitting out front of our door right now. We're going to walk it in with our protective gloves because it just came from FedEx and I don't want to take any chances. And yeah, well, we're going to give you a first reaction and basically unbox this Ownboard in front of you. Let us know what you think. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for updates, and hit the bell icon if you want to be alerted as to when new videos come out. All right, let's get to it. Bring it up and over. There you go. Voila! So, truth be told, I thought there was a box inside the shipping box. There is not. And this is my first look at the board, and man, this thing is big. Compared to the boosted board, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, the motors on this thing are about twice the size of the motors on the boosted board. So this is a hard Canadian maple deck. Let's see if I can pull this thing out. Taking the foam off the back wheels here. The motors on this thing are absolutely huge. If you have a boosted board, I'd say that the motors on this board are probably about twice the size. The belts look like they're exposed, so there aren't any belt covers, but man, this thing is massive and weighs quite a bit as well. Obviously putting the towel down here on our table so we don't scratch it up. And yeah, that's the Ownboard AT. It's got this giant battery pack on the bottom, which gives you the amazing range on this board. And then again, comes with ceramic bearings, double kingpin trucks on a drop deck, and then these giant motors in the back. Yeah, dual 6368 belt motors in the back, 1500 watts a piece, so it's 3000 watts total, belt driven, and they come with these beautiful cloud wheels, 120 millimeter cloud wheels. Let's see if I can give you a close-up of those. And then you can see the motors on the back there are just huge. Some of the biggest motors I've ever seen on an electric skateboard. Of course, I only have boosted boards to compare it to, but definitely a big board. It looks like they've done some changes to the design of the board. They know they used to have a big Ownboard kind of inscription at the top there. It looks like they got rid of that. Cables are well positioned out of the way. And yeah, excited to go give this thing a try. Looks like there's plenty of clearance in the bottom, but really big trucks. And the wheels, definitely not as soft as, or at least they don't appear to be as soft as the boosted 105s, but still a nice board nonetheless. So I'm gonna give this thing a charge. It says it takes about 4 hours for a full charge. Hopefully it comes with somewhat of a charge. Let's see what else is in the box here. So in the box, standard owner's manual. Another cable here, a couple Allen wrenches. Not sure what this is. Looks like some sort of edge protector, maybe. Maybe that's for the nose or the tail. You get these extra large 150 millimeter wheels. And I believe these are AVEX 7 bearings that are in there, so pretty precise bearings as well. Nice wheels though, hollowed out, probably give you some give. But they are solid, they're not pneumatic, so you do not fill them up with air. Extra gears here, probably for the big wheels as well, or extra pulleys. I don't know if they call them pulleys or gears, I'm not sure. But anyway, extra to that. Got a cable here. Looks like there's a charging port, skate key, and finally the remote. That's a nice looking remote as well. And I believe it uses the Hobbywing ESC, so pretty solid ESC or computer in the back. And then extra belts, which is cool. Are these extra belts for? Yeah, it looks like extra belts for the standard cloud wheels, and then extra belts specifically for 2 extra belts, so 4 total for the larger 150 millimeter off-road wheels. So, or AT wheels. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put this on the charger and then we'll take it out and give it a shot. All right. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, let me know what you'd like to see next, and we'll try to cover that. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe.